How to schedule Do Not Disturb on iPhone. You can schedule Do Not Disturb on iPhone so notifications and calls are silenced automatically during specific times. And here is how. First of all, open the Settings app on your mobile device. Inside Settings app, scroll down and there you will get to see Focus option available. Tap on the Focus. Then tap on the Do Not Disturb. Inside Do Not Disturb, scroll down and you will get to see Add Schedule option available in there. Once you tap on the Add Schedule or Automation, all you have to do is simply choose the time, date according to your preferences and set your start and end time. Optional, you can allow calls for favorites, contacts or specific apps during DND and tap on the Done. DND will now automatically activate during your scheduled hours. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.